Are we rolling? I think we're rolling. What's going on, everybody? GeorgeOhShoot back at it again. This time from a new page. I think this will be video one or video two for be my firearms page. And really, I'm just gonna be just shooting the breeze with y'all, talk about some things, and show some of my toys that I've been getting. Um, First things first is I'm at the range for quite some time now. I never thought about getting a shot timer just to see, how well I can shoot fast. And I am trash at shooting fast. I'm low ready too. The problem is, which I think I will post shorts about this. Problem is that my grouping is all over the place. I'm still hitting paper, thankfully, but it is all over. And then a lot of my friends make fun of me because I use Timu a lot, but I went and got a shot timer from Timu. This thing actually works. I don't know if you can. Yeah. Ooh, you can't see none of this. Oh, because it's green. But it do work. You know, it works. It tracks. Um, but that I got for Timu prices. So I'm like, okay, that's the first thing I need to work on is practicing shooting fast. Um, I'm thinking maybe I should just try. 'Cause I was doing 3 bullets at a time, and my spacing was like, see, my fist it was larger than my fist with the spacing. So I'm like, I gotta fix that. Um, then I played with one of my new toys. This bad boy right here. This is butt naked too. I didn't even put the little side paddle on it yet. But this is the NJ compliant Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol. Yeah, and that's why it look a little ugly. The NJ compliant version looked like this. And if you was wondering why you felt so safe, it's because of stuff like this. There's a shotgun though. Now shooting these bad boys right here. That federal double out buckshot shows. You know, pretty standard, typical Jones. Very fun to shoot. Everything on paper. Showed it a little bit. I mean, but I live. Uh, but yeah, I just bought that shotgun like a month ago. And I've only really might have 30 shells through it, if that. Not of that though. I was experimenting with slugs. Um, I'm at an indoor range, so we can only do buckshot or slugs, no bird shot. So I got some buckshot that's low recoil. Hold on, let me get the brand. See that? Rio. Low recoil. This is 1200. And the federal's 1325. So yeah, you'll feel the federal a little bit. Then, hold up. when I had gotten comfortable shooting, because I was experimenting with some shells, I needed somewhere to put all this stuff. So I had went down to this surplus store down in Virginia, and I bought one of these crates from over there. I gotta say, these crate things are pretty cool. Um, Army surplus store down in Virginia. I forget the name. Let me Google it. Hall Street. That's where I got it from. But you could probably find these online for cheaper. I got this right here for my shells. And then and I bought some bulk. I always get like 5.56 and 9 bulk. But this here, do my 9 mils in here. I realized I have a lot of 9 mils, so I need another one of these. But I ain't gonna go down to Virginia to get that. I just happen to be in Virginia. Not price wise, but there ain't nothing down. There's nothing to do down there. And I was only there for like a couple hours, so I was like, oh, let me just stop here. I bought that and another thing. Now, let me see if I can show you some of my shooting, my atrocious shooting. Oh yeah, did not like that at all. So I will upload those separately because this thing's almost making my computer crash. But anyway, yeah, that's all I got really. Shooting shotguns is fun. Team shot timer, Zohan works. And Rio, Federal Buckshot. Rio. Have fun with those. And of course, every time I shoot this, people be coming up to me. They be like, "What's that dog?" I be like the A300. Someone be like, "Oh yeah, I got a 1301 dog." Today, this old man came up to me. He was like, "Bruh, what you shooting over there, son?" And I'm like, "Oh, just a little A300." He like, "Son, I got 1301. This is nice. Them shit is nice, man. Beretta know how to make them. When an old black man is complimenting you, that is awesome. But I think that's it for me. Yeah. So wherever you see this, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be back shortly. Talk about some other range things. GeorgeOhShoot. This is the page, GeorgeOhShoot. And I hope to see you again. I'll take it easy.